In Dang, Cavite, PTK2 H2O Corporation set out to launch a commercial groundwater extraction project. They secured all the necessary permits, including water extraction rights and an environmental compliance certificate, after undergoing evaluation by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources and the National Water Resources Board. However, local environmental groups, such as Swim, Inc., quickly raised alarms. They argued that deep well operations could threaten the area's rivers, aquifers, and overall ecological balance. Their concerns led to a legal battle as they filed a petition for a writ of Kalikasan, a special legal remedy designed to protect the environment. This move set the stage for a significant confrontation between economic interests and environmental protection. Court of Appeals responded to the petition by granting the writ of Kalikasan. This decision resulted in the cancellation of PTK2's permits and an immediate halt to their groundwater extraction operations. PTK2, however, was not ready to give up. They challenged the ruling, insisting that their permits were validly issued after thorough government evaluation. They argued that the Court of Appeals had misapplied environmental laws and that their operations were in line with regulatory standards. This legal tug-of-war highlighted the complexities of balancing development with environmental stewardship, especially when scientific certainty about environmental risks is lacking. Supreme Court ultimately affirmed the lower court's decision. Central to its ruling was the precautionary principle, a doctrine under the rules of procedure for environmental cases. This principle shifts the burden of proof to the project proponent, PTK2 in this case, when there is scientific uncertainty about environmental harm. The court referenced the Constitution's guarantee of a balanced and healthful ecology, as well as the environmental impact statement system. Since PTK2 could not conclusively demonstrate that their extraction activities would not cause serious or irreversible environmental damage, the court upheld the cancellation of their permits. The key takeaway is clear. When environmental risks are uncertain, courts must prioritize protection, and companies must prove their projects are ecologically safe.